Today we talk about how can you get premium on your Talkie app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here. You click here on this sign down here and you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here in your profile. Then all you have to do now, so then all you have to do next, you just click here on Talkie here, please just click on it. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. If you want to add for 1 year or 1 month or 3 months here, then you click here on get Talkie here, just click on it. So then you just switch into open video like this here, add your credit or debit card, then it's going to add video. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.